After King Dutugamunu defeated King Alara and won the war, the giant Gothaimbara built a new house. For the housewarming, he organized a very large party and invited many people. At the beginning of the party, Gothaimbara drank alcohol and got drunk, so his wife, Princess Sona, did the duty of welcoming the guests. Suddenly, a man walked by nearby without an invitation. He was past middle age, had a dark color, and a strong body. He came to the party. Princess Sona described his appearance to Gothaimbara. Gothaimbara recognized him immediately from the description. He ordered Princess Sona to welcome him and serve him food. This was none other than Ritigala Jayasena, also known as Mahasona, whose name alone made many people scared. General Gothaimbara treated Ritigala Jayasena well and gave him plenty of food and drink at the party. But when Jayasena drank too much, he forgot everything. Suddenly, a thought came to his mind, and he hugged Princess Sona. Gothaimbara saw this immediately and became very angry. He scolded Jayasena with bad words and threatened him to leave his house. Ritigala Jayasena felt very ashamed and angry. He said that Gothaimbara was no challenge for him. He challenged Gothaimbara to come to the Tamana cemetery in 1 week for a fight if he could. General Gothaimbara, still drunk, shouted loudly in the middle of the party. He said that Jayasena was no challenge for him. He said he would not use a sword, but he would cut off Jayasena's head with the little toe of his left foot. King Jamunu heard this news and ordered them to stop the fight immediately. But both men said the fight must happen to save their pride and wash away the shame. The day of the fight came. Gothaimbara had drunk alcohol well the day before and slept until noon on the fight day. Suddenly he remembered the challenge. He forgot to eat and drink. He tied his clothes tightly, tied a cloth on his head like a turban, and ran to the cemetery. By that time, Ritigala Jayasena was wearing metal armor and was well prepared for the fight. He was a person 4 cubits tall. Gothaimbara was exactly half his height. The people who came to support Gothaimbara felt very sad when they saw this. They thought Gothaimbara would lose. Gothaimbara greeted his friend and entered the fight. As soon as he greeted him, he looked at the enemy, Jayasena's face. In a split second, Gothaimbara jumped into the sky and kicked Jayasena's chin very hard with his left foot. Jayasena was confused. Just as he thought of his god Saturn, his head separated from his body. It flew and stuck in a karamba tree in the Ritigala area. God Saturn saw and felt this immediately. He panicked. He forgot his habit of working slowly and carefully. He came quickly and found a bear's head. He attached it to Jayasena's headless body to save his life. God Saturn usually thinks and works. But because of the panic, he attached the bear's head facing backward. So Jayasena came back to life. From that day, he became the demon Mahasona. He is 81 cubits tall, has 3 eyes and 4 hands. He wears red clothes, has a black body, and rides a giant pig vehicle. It is mentioned that he has 5 avatars. They are Lesohon Yaka, who rides a goat, Amusohon Yaka, who rides a deer, Jayasohon Yaka, who rides a horse, Marusohon Yaka, who rides a sheep, and Golusohon Yaka, who rides an elephant. These are the 5 avatars of the demon Mahasona. King Vesamuni has given permission to Mahasona to take sacrifices of humans and roosters. He lives in cemeteries and on mountaintops. It is said that Mahasona does not obey even Lord Buddha's command, but he only obeys the Gothaimbara spell.